On this side of the house, we've done a lot of work on the roofs. You can see we have all this different roof structures. We redid all these roofs. Some of them are slate, the sloped ones, the non-sloped ones are the Geico. Down here, you can see where the water's coming down. And originally it was coming down, hitting the stone here, and then splashing back. So this whole thing was rotted out. We removed the whole base. We had to cut it off, prop it up inside, remove the whole base, put treated lumber against the concrete, and then build up from there with regular lumber. And then I did 1 inch of hemlock board solid, and then we did the slate on the outside, so any splash now is just hitting the slate and just running down, so we had no problem with splash anymore. Also, the other thing we ran into was we had done some molding on the edge and ran drip edge. And what happened was the water's coming down. It's not real steep slope, so it's coming down. It would go down the drip edge and then pull back onto the wood. You can see where the wood is dirty. And then it would run down the facer. Well, the problem is once we paint that, the paint would just come right back off. So I took some aluminum flashing and made my own little lip and then screwed them in using those good screws. So that way the water comes down, it has to come out that lip and then drop, so it can't run back. So that was one thing we ran into on each of these roofs. We had to do it up there, right here, and over there we had to do the same thing. So a good 2 to 3 inch piece coming out. We had to take about a 6-inch flashing, bend it at about 2 inches, slide it up in, screw it, and that way the water's got to come out. Now, I was a little worried about ice buildup, but we haven't seen that happen. So the problem with all the roof damage that we had originally, it caused a lot of window problems because the water was coming down through, running right down the window. So we had to replace some sill plate here. We had to actually restructure these windows. They were falling out. So we took them all out, rebuilt them if we had to, corners missing. Just basically rebuilt the windows if we needed to, re-caulked them, put them back in different, put outside moldings on top of the other moldings. And then in several cases, we actually put more windows in. It's an unheated area, so we took old windows, fixed them all up, put casings and put them in there. So now going up our stairs, we have a nice well-lit area, even though it's under this big tree. And you can see here where we're putting on moldings on top of the original molding. And then we'll paint it and get some more design elements. Same with around the door here. Added moldings on top of the originals with some camphor edges. It gives us a lot more design.